Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So from any screen here you've got, there you go, that just brings the menu up. We go across to telephone, click on telephone, and then again you bring the menu up by just clicking back towards you. You've got there connect device or options. Now you wouldn't necessarily go for connect device, but that's the one to go for. It then brings up a list of phones which can be connected, and you see mine at the top with a little menu at the side. So we knock the control across, and there you see deauthorize. Click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Select yes, click yes. So we'll just do that again. So as you can see, there's no menus there. If you click the control backwards towards you and then select connect device, although we don't want a connect device, we want to delete. So connect device brings up a list of phones that can be connected. You highlight the one that you want to delete. The menu's over here, so a sideways click of the control here, the rotary control, deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. We want to deauthorize, click deauthorize. It defaults to no, we turn it across to yes and click yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So first of all, go to settings, we'll make sure Bluetooth is on like so. Oops, flipped it too much. And then we're watching out at the bottom. On the actual screen here, you've got, if you click that star there, it brings up the whole menu. You can go across to telephone like so, or if you click forward, it brings the menu up at the top, and then just turn the rotary control till you get to telephone. Click telephone. It's got ready for Bluetooth telephony, but that's not what we want. So you click forward again, and you see it's brought up this other menu at the bottom. Click back, right down to the bottom, and you've got options and connect device. Select connect device, click on it, and at the top there, again, it's not immediately obvious because search for phones is already highlighted. So we want to search for phones. It's on there, we click on it. Then you've got to click again, start search. So you've got to tell it twice. So now it's looking for a phone. It's saying cancel search if you want. We watch out at the bottom here, and on the actual, there you go, Barry's iPhone, it's come. So down to Barry's iPhone, click on Barry's iPhone, or whatever your phone's called, of course. And here we go, Bluetooth pairing request 812971, 812971. So we click yes there and pair there. Gosh, there's some bad drivers about. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and where's it gone? Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected, that's it, connected. I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system, and in this one with the Burmeister speakers, it's really good. So what we have to do, if you go to your music here, we'll just click on the bottom. It's a triangle with the three circles there. It's only showing iPhone. Now I have just paired my mobile to this system, but it's not showing on music. So if you click, we're on Navi at the moment, but if you click the rotary control forward, you'll see there's nothing on media. There's nothing. It's just, you can just select media. So we select media, no Bluetooth audio, connect last audio, connect last used player. So you've got devices and options. I'll just show you Bluetooth audio devices. If you select options, there you go. So that's giving me the option, once we've gone to audio devices, to select Barry's iPhone, and that's it. You see, and there you go, that's it playing. But I will just show you this again, because sometimes it won't come up. So it's on Bluetooth at the moment. If you click forward, you see the media with the little arrow at the side. Click on media, there you go, media interface, media register, memory card, disk. We'll just put it on disk, no disk inserted, and then we'll go back. So I want to play, you see there, I want to play music. We'll click on music, I'll turn that down. So that's playing, but nothing's coming through the system. So we'll just go back again and click out of this. So it's not set to Bluetooth. So we click forward. There's no arrow on media, so you click on media again. No disc. Click the rotary control forward. Now media's got a little arrow next to it, and we click again. And now you can change what you want to select. We go to Bluetooth audio, click Bluetooth audio. And then when I turn this up, in fact, I'll turn this up, and then I'll use this to turn that and turn it off very quickly so I don't get a copyright strike. So that's how you play audio through the system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So from any screen, easiest way is, nothing's showing on the system at the moment, but if you click the rotary control forward, it brings up the top menu. Then we want to go to Navi. We'll click Navi. So it's on the map. If we click the rotary control forward again, it brings up this other menu again. We go down to the bottom, and there you can see we want destination. Select destination. You've got address entry from previous destinations, but we want address entry. Click on address entry, and there you've got country, town, street, but we want postcode. So that's on the middle menu. We click it back towards us onto postal code, click and select postal code, and then with the rotary control, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. It's automatically gone to numbers 5, 4, J, S. That's it, PR54JS. Click to select. Gone to continue, click continue.
Your route is being calculated.
And then you've got start. It's already on start. Click start.
Please follow the road for 1 mile.
It's not actually the easiest system to use, but once you get used to it, you'll be fine.